Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So today we are going to be doing I'm going to be taking down my daughter's braids. Okay, so this braid she has been carrying for like 2 weeks plus. She has a 3B hair and this is what 2 weeks of carrying her braids is. I love doing mini braids on her hair because she's going to school, so it makes work more easy for when she's preparing for school. So what we are going to be using to losing her hair is Okra. Yes guys, Okra gel. I love using this on her hair. It's really helped me when it comes in matting, okay, because her hair mats a lot at the ending part of her hair, like I'll show you guys what I'm trying to say. Sorry guys, I have some flu. So I've already bought my okra and it's time for me to strain. You know, just cut the okra and you strain it to get the gel, okay. And this greeny part of the okra, you can still use it as your deep condition. Don't throw it away, just save this part in the freezer. Anytime you want to do a deep condition, you blend it. I have a video about how I do deep condition with okra. It's in my channel, do watch to check it out, okay. So I am just going to strain and get the okra gel because it's the gel you need to lose her hair. So okra has amazing benefits for hair growth. It's going to help you to boost your hair, okay. It helps in hydration, all right. It helps in detangling your hair as well, okay. And you can use okra gel as a leave-in. Yes, I said it, you can use it as a leave-in because I have done a challenge whereby I used okra gel as a leave-in and my hair was amazing, okay. It helped my hair to retain moisture. All right besties, so this is the okra gel I have. I am going to divide this in section. So this is her hair. I put her hair in sections and I started applying this on her hair, okay. Okra is really slimy, so you need to be gentle while doing this. So this is one section of her hair. The other section, like I did her hair like in 3 sections and start losing it. You know, kids hair, you have to be gentle while losing kids hair, and this her hair has really stayed for like 2 weeks. Yes, 3B hair, this kind of hair texture don't really last long when you braid it, okay. But I am happy that this particular one lasts long. Like if I do like a cornrow on her hair, it does not last up to 1 week, maximum 5 days. You have already seen the hair already starts pulling apart. But when I do this kind of small mini braids on her hair, it lasts longer for her. So and it also helps her hair to grow as well. So if you see me and her arguing or fighting about the bottle, it's because she always want to help out when doing her hair, and her hair really is growing. Like the coily texture, the length is just growing. So just apply this on your daughter's hair, okay. Even if your daughter does not have a 3B like mine, even if it's a 4C hair, it's going to help you to lose her hair or his hair. So I apply this on her hair, then I will make sure that it penetrates everywhere and massage it in very well. Then after that we'll start losing it, like the ending parts, not the tips, like the ending part of her hair really is very matted. Like when I say matted, it's matted. Her hair always gets matted on time. Yeah, so after losing the hair, and she also want to help out, so I start from the ending part of her. Like, can you see that I try so well to make sure that I can show you guys everything because there was no light, so I could not use my ring light. So this is how matted her hair is, and this okra gel helped me a lot, okay, like to remove the way the hair was being matted. Almost done losing, and over here you can see here is very matted. So the okra gel I've already penetrated there. I have to use my fingertip to detangle it. Yes, and as you can see, immediately I detangle it, the coil is just, you know, pop back. That's one thing I love about okra gel, okay. Like it helps your hair coils to pop back. So I'm using a toothpick to lose this her hair. Okay, it gives me road and it makes it easier for me to use my hands to unravel the unravel the braids. Yes, so I keep removing the braids. Okay, and when I get to the ending part of the hair, that place is matted, I use my hands to separate each sections. Okay, so I am done with this section right now, and you can see how hydrated and coily her hair is. Okay, so I am going to be doing the next part, which is the back of her hair. The back of her hair has a lot of mats, like a lot of matted braids, so I am going to be focusing on that back part very well. And again, when I was doing this, she didn't have lots of shading. Yes, like you can see, this one right here is all matted, so I had to on my phone light so you can see what I'm trying to say. It's all matted, like everything is all squeezed in, because her hair is very coily. So even if you braid it straight, after 2 weeks, after maybe a week, and you see it's all squeezed out. So I am done with her hair. I loosed the remaining one off camera, and this is what her hair looks like after I loosed everything. So I'm just adding more okra gel so I can detangle it more. Okay, and the hair was just coily. Like, I love her hair texture. Okay, her hair texture is really defined. So I'm just going to be using my hand to finger the tangle. Sorry guys, I'm using one hand to film this and one hand to finger the tangle. Luckily for me, her hair does not have any knots, so I'm not pulling her hair at all. So after this, we'll move to washing of her hair. I use a kid's shampoo to wash her hair. So that is the shampoo I used to wash her hair. First of all, rinse out the okra gel out of her hair, then I will now use the kids shampoo to wash it. The kids shampoo is a 2-in-1, is a conditioning shampoo. Okay, it does not strip her hair from moisture or anything like that. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to be using to wash her hair. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. And this is how I detangle and wash my daughter's hair. Okay, you can use this for any hair texture. Okra is versatile. You can use it for any hair texture and your hair is going to love it. So I'm using this shea butter kids organic shea butter conditioning shampoo. This is super amazing. Like, her hair really loves it, and I've been using it for over 2 years now. 2 years, yeah, 2 years now, and it's been doing so good on her hair texture. Yeah, so I'm going to wash this and rinse it out. I'll show you the after result of her hair. So loves, this is after result of her hair. Okay, this is how her hair is. Yes, her hair is really full, and if I show you guys when her hair has dried out, it's off afro-ish. Like, her hair changed pattern. Okay, when it's wet is different from when it's fully dried. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know in the comment section. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. I'll see you all my besties in my next video. Bye for now.